Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Instagram, and I'll tell you right away that Meta recently updated its policies and they are deleting all the bot accounts or abandoned accounts, and that is why you may have lost some of your followers recently. This is not because someone unfollowed you, this is because the account was deleted. But if you still want to check if someone unfollowed you or not, you will need to click on your profile on your Instagram and go to the following button, clicking on the following in the top right of the screen. So here is my following list, the accounts that I follow, and I'll choose my friend. So for example, I will go with this friend and I know that he's following me, and to check this we will need to click on his following list, click on the following right here, and if I will see my account in the top, as you can see I see my account at the top, it means he's following me. If I don't see my account at the top, it basically means that this account unfollowed me. So we will go and check for this type of account. So for example, I will go and check this account and click on its following list, and as you can see there is no my account in the top of the list. That is basically means that this account either unfollowed me or never followed me. And basically that is it. That is how you can see who unfollowed you on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.